it. Number 3 is Anycubic Cobra 3D printer. The Anycubic Cobra 3D printer is a top candidate for the best 3D printer for home use due to its exceptional features and user-friendly design. The printer's modular design allows for easy assembly in just 10 minutes, minimizing the time and effort required for setup. The intelligent auto-leveling function with 25-point precise leveling up ensures precise and fast leveling, providing a more intelligent and hassle-free printing experience. The Cobra's direct drive extruder provides ultra-smooth printing and precise filament control, resulting in high-quality prints with minimal shaking. The printer is also compatible with various materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU flexible materials, providing greater flexibility in printing. The removable magnetic platform is a unique feature that allows for the easy removal of printed models, saving time and reducing maintenance costs. The Cobra boasts a fast printing speed of up to 180 millimeters per second, 167% faster than the industry standard, making it a perfect choice for those who value their time. The printer's large printing size of 8.7 by 8.7 by 9.84 inches / 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters provides ample space for creativity, enabling users to bring their ideas to life easily. If you are interested in the printer, check out the link in the description box below.